Let's talk about creating a GitHub account. Based on the orientation, we are going to complete this lesson, which will, at the end, we'll have a GitHub account, we'll have a GitHub profile, and then we'll understand a few of the terms for how we'll be using GitHub. All right, so let's start. How to create an account, we'll go to github.com, which we have here. Then we will click the sign up button in the top right corner. It's going to ask me for my email and password and a username. So I've got in my email address, I've put in a password, and it's going to tell me whether or not my password is strong. If it's strong, then I can move on to the next thing. I'm going to create a username, and then it will let me know whether or not it's available. If all three of those are green, then I can continue. Then it's going to verify my account. You do a visual puzzle. Use the arrows to rotate the face to the direction of the hand. So we see the hand is pointing that way. So I'm going to turn him like that and then submit. So then I'm going to have to confirm my email address, which means I need to go check my email. And inside of my email, there will be a number. And I'll enter that and do continue. All right. So now my account was created successfully. Please sign in to continue. So enter your email address and the password that you created in the previous screens. I think that's it. Yes. Okay. So I'm in. I've created my GitHub account. Yay.